What if I told you that robots are no longer just a futuristic dream? In fact, they're already part of our daily lives, helping police, serving as sales assistants, and even building homes. And the best part? They're getting smarter, cheaper, and way more capable every day. Let's talk about the robots that are taking over China and beyond, and trust me, you won't believe how far they've come. In today's video, we're diving into some of the biggest advancements in humanoid robotics. First up, China's latest police robot, PM01, just became the country's first humanoid cop, and it can do everything from scanning crowds to flipping in the air. Then we'll talk about Tesla's Optimus Robot, which is ramping up for mass production, and how companies like Huawei and Meta are bringing AI to the masses. Oh, and did I mention a 20-foot-tall construction robot is coming soon? Stick around for all of that and more. The rise of humanoid robots in China. All right, let's kick things off with some serious innovation happening in China. You know, when you think of robots, you probably picture something in a sci-fi movie, maybe a Terminator-like machine or something from the Jetsons. But in China, robots are becoming part of everyday life. And the latest in this revolution is the PM01 from Engine AI, which just became China's first humanoid police robot. Now, PM01 isn't your average robot. Standing at just 1.38 meters tall and weighing 40 kilograms. It's surprisingly agile for its size. And get this, it can rotate a full 320 degrees to scan crowds without even moving its feet. Imagine being able to scan an entire area, just with the twist of your head. That's some next-level surveillance right there. Equipped with industrial-grade actuators and a vision system that can recognize faces and license plates, PM01 can even respond to voice commands in Mandarin and Cantonese. Plus, it performed a viral front flip recently, showing off its flexibility and agility. And here's the kicker. It's priced at around $12,000, way cheaper than other robots in the market. PM01 is already being used in various roles, like greeting tourists and monitoring for suspicious activity. It's a sign of how quickly robots are moving from sci-fi to real-world applications. Tesla and Chery, robots in sales and service. But it's not just police robots that are making waves. Tesla is taking things to the next level with its Optimus Robot, which is set for mass production at Gigafactory, Texas. Elon Musk has big plans for Optimus, envisioning a world where robots outnumber humans, possibly by as much as 2 to 1 or 10 to 1. Sounds insane, right? But if Tesla can mass produce cars, then why not robots? Optimus uses the same technology that powers Tesla cars, like Model Y batteries and full self-driving computers. If all goes according to plan, Gigafactory Texas will churn out 10,000 Optimus units by the end of this year. Imagine a world where robots are everywhere, from offices to homes to factories, and they won't just be standing there. They'll be walking, talking, and interacting with humans in ways we never imagined before. On the other side of the globe, China's Chery is also making big moves in the robot space. They've developed Amoga, an AI-powered humanoid robot that works as a sales assistant in showrooms across Malaysia. With 41 degrees of freedom in its movements, Amoga can talk, walk, and even make hand gestures to sell cars. The robot's silicone face and long blonde hair help avoid the uncanny valley effect, making it feel a bit more human-like. What's amazing about Amoga is its ability to perform tasks quickly and efficiently. It can move at a speed of 1 meter per second and has sensors that allow it to avoid obstacles with precision. It also speaks in 10 languages, pitching car features without the usual pressure of a human salesperson. This is the future of retail, and it's happening right now. The 20-foot construction robot. Now hold on to your hard hats because we're talking construction next. If you thought robots were only useful in offices or stores, think again. A company called RI Robotics is creating the Zyrex Robot, a 20-foot tall humanoid designed for construction sites. This massive robot will tackle tasks like welding, carpentry, and 3D concrete printing, helping to solve two major issues in the U.S. construction industry: a shortage of skilled workers and a high injury rate. Zyrex is equipped with LiDAR, vision systems, and language action models, allowing it to compare real-time sensor data with building plans to avoid mistakes. And get this, it will be available for purchase for under $1 million or leased for about $20,000 per month. That's roughly the cost of hiring a small crew. Zyrex is expected to be a game changer in the construction industry, making projects faster, safer, and more efficient. Meta's AI revolution, bringing the future to your pocket. While robots are making waves in the physical world, Meta is taking a different approach by bringing AI straight to your devices. Their new Meta AI app, powered by the Llama 4 AI system, is like having a personal assistant on your phone that can help you with pretty much anything. The app includes a Discover feed, where users can share creative use cases for AI, and it even has a voice mode that lets you have natural, flowing conversations, just like a phone call. You can ask questions, get answers, and even switch seamlessly between devices, all while Meta's AI keeps track of your preferences. Imagine being able to ask questions across your phone, tablet, and smart glasses, and getting instant, relevant answers. It's like having a personal assistant that follows you everywhere. Huawei's Ascend 91D, challenging NVIDIA's dominance. Back in the hardware world, Huawei is making a huge splash with its new Ascend 91D AI accelerator chip. This could be a major blow to NVIDIA's dominance in the AI hardware market. The 910D is expected to outperform NVIDIA's H100 in training large language models. If successful, this could have huge implications, especially within China's growing AI ecosystem. NVIDIA's top chips are restricted in China due to U.S. sanctions, which has left many Chinese companies scrambling for alternatives. Huawei's new chip could fill that gap, providing developers with the tools they need to train AI models without relying on foreign suppliers. Huawei has been finding ways around these roadblocks for years, and the 910D could be the key to keeping China competitive in the AI race. Xpangs Iron, a humanoid robot for the future of transport. And last but not least, let's talk about Xpeng's humanoid android, Iron. This robot made waves at Auto Shanghai 2025, impressing the crowd with its 60-joint frame and a remarkable 200 degrees of motion. What makes Iron special is its connection to Xpeng's electric vehicles. It's part of a larger ecosystem that includes self-driving cars, service robots, and even flying taxis. Iron is powered by a custom AI chip capable of processing 3,000 trillion operations per second, giving it server-level performance. During a demo, Iron was able to bump into people, answer questions in fluent Mandarin, and even delicately lift a porcelain cup without dropping it. It's a showcase of robotic dexterity and AI integration. The demo made it clear: humanoid robots aren't just for the future. They're here now, and they're already capable of incredible things. Abacus AI and the Deep Agent Pro. Finally, let's talk about software that's changing the game for businesses. Abacus AI recently launched an upgraded version of its Deep Agent, which is now available in a Pro tier. For just an additional $10, you can automate a wide range of tasks, from managing databases to syncing tables to deploying websites, all by entering a simple line of text. The Pro version also integrates seamlessly with tools like Gmail, Jira, and slide decks, allowing you to automate things like scraping competitor pricing or updating dashboards in real time. Imagine turning a weekend of work into just a few clicks. This is the kind of tool that's going to transform the way we work, making automation accessible to everyone. As we can see, humanoid robots are no longer just a concept. They're becoming an integral part of industries around the world. From police officers to sales assistants to construction workers, robots are taking on roles we never thought possible. And the best part, they're only getting smarter, cheaper, and more capable. So, what's next? Will we see robots in every corner of our lives, helping us with everything from work to entertainment? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the future of AI and robotics. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.